what is the most vital, often used herb in your first aid kit? Oh, it's another one of these, like, the most vital, the most often used. I'm not gonna pick one. I can't pick one. I'm gonna say 3. Plantain, which can be used as poultices and tinctures and salves and soaks. And thinking about it is healing injuries to the skin and mucosa, even bites and stings and stuff like that. Echinacea is a strong infusion or decoction or a soak. Echinacea soaks are amazing. So really wonderful for all manner of infections. And then I just have to also say propolis tincture is just an amazing sort of like liquid bandage, wound dressing, protective coating that stimulates healing of the tissues that you apply it to. So it's protective, it fights infections. Will add on, because this is important, propolis is a resin. We generally extract it in as high proof alcohol as we can get a hold of, which means that it'll sting and burn going on. So if you have like, and I've done this with myself, you have like a 2nd degree scald and you're like, I'm going to put some propolis tincture on that. It's going to be excruciating. Like, maybe do that to yourself, but, that's not a good idea to do to other people. Unless they're an herbalist and you're like, this is going to hurt so bad, but I think it's a good idea. And they're like, I get it. You can do it. I love treating herbalists. They'll let you do so much stuff.